Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Welcome to Herb Connolly Chevrolet, part of the Herb Connolly Automotive Group, where the customer comes first. We are conveniently located just off Route 9 East at 350 Wooster Road.